I'm Denise Joy, and I believe that anyone can make their home custom on a budget in one weekend or even less. In one weekend, using paint, repurposed furniture, a few budget-friendly new and secondhand purchases, along with some good old DIY sweat equity from the homeowner, I sprinkle my magic pixie dust, creating beautifully curated spaces. Trust me, it's not just a room makeover, it transforms your life. In every episode, I give you a backstage pass to see it all. The prep, the process, and the dramatic before and after reveal. In episode 2, I transform a cluttered, unorganized office space into a space that inspires peace, playfulness, and productivity. How did I go from this to this? Let me show you how. Here in episode 2, my challenge was how to bring everything together to curate the space so it doesn't feel designed. Instead, it feels lived in and well loved. This redesign is actually a part 2. My homeowner from episode 1 loved her dope digital recording lounge so much that she signed on to have me put my magic pixie dust in her home office too. Our design goals: 1, improve the shelving in the closet so she could have her own office depot. 2, hang her diplomas and her world traveler art and incorporate her sorority vibe. 3, declutter her desk. And last, improve the lighting and the overall ambiance.
All I had to do was go shopping with you one day, pick up some materials, some shelving.
First up, we head to the big box store to pick up our shelving supplies and a few other items. We ended up grabbing a can of spray paint. Stay tuned to see the homeowner's DIY job.
My homework was simply to clean out the closet and clear off the table.
They only had black shelving brackets in stock, but the homeowner wanted that custom on a budget consistency. So here's the white spray paint. Good morning, good people. Today is install day for DIY DUO Redesign episode 2. I am doing a client's home office. That is the #1 requested video people want to see. They want ideas. You know, we're in this pandemic, folks working from home. So I am super excited to give her a totally transformed space. It's gonna make her home office a destination she'll love. The homeowner took everything out of the closet. We're gonna trick that out. Here we go, let's set everything up. One way to keep costs down when you're doing a redesign is to work with what you already have. The homeowner had these shelves on the side of her closet, and so we decided to just build off of them to finish it off. The first thing I'm doing is called a dry fit. That means putting things in place without drilling any holes to make sure things fit like they should. Next, I make sure that my measurements are exact because it's time to drill some holes. I have to make a run to Home Depot because I ran out of anchors. I thought I had enough wall anchors, and you don't want to put up shelves without the wall anchors that will really help hold the weight, being put on those shelves. So I'm going to get my favorite wall anchors, and I'll shoot a little part of that once I get to Home Depot. While I make a quick run to Home Depot, the homeowner tackles a second DIY duo project. She turns her college oak old school file cabinet into a modern chic white with the extra white spray paint. All right, I'm here. Hopefully they have the ones. Oh yes, here they are. These are my favorite easy anchor drywall anchors. I'm gonna get the 75-pound weight just to be safe. Easy Anchor drywall anchors are my absolute favorite. They're super easy to use, and baby, they hold. And just like that, project 1 is done.
Let Denise do her thing. Trust her vision, because I'm so glad that I trusted yours.
At the start of the project, the homeowner said she wanted her very own Office Depot in a closet. So now it's time to trick this puppy out. This piece is a family heirloom. My client's mother was also a member of Delta Sigma Theta sorority. I've got special plans for this piece. This new floor lamp will bring much needed task lighting to the room and greatly improve the ambiance in the space. It was a score at just $12. I, of course, love to shop someone's home. Repurposing items the homeowner already has is a great way to keep things custom on a budget. This homeowner is a world traveler and an accomplished music artist. I had so much fun selecting from her wall art to make this room reflect her vibrant personality. Actually, the homeowner thought this bench wouldn't fit in this room. She'll see. Normally, I would have used the iron-on hem tape to hem these shears, but I left it at home, so it was old school needle and thread. Getting the job done is all that matters. Hanging this set of sheer curtains really improves the coziness and the warmth factor in this room.
I've been living with my diplomas leaning against the wall for years, and you finally helped me figure out the best way to hang them up.
Not only is this homeowner a world traveler, she is a professional. Time to get those degrees up on the wall. Creating a curated space that the homeowner will love gives me joy. Next up, the reveal.
Denise, Joy, you did it again. You did this in 2 days. I know I could not have ever done this in 2 days.
On this journey, homeowners transform their space so it fits their lifestyle and becomes a destination they'll love.
Oh, it's so clean. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, I'm getting chills because the Delta 8. Oh, Denise, yes, my baby. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to work in here. It's perfect. I have this overlook, and then reminds me that I am a registered pharmacist indeed. But this Kennedy Center thing, I just love it. It's just that everything's in its place now, and I feel more empowered to get things done. And I love the green elephants. All my elephants have stories. So when you asked me to choose which ones, I was like, well, I want that, energy. I want that energy in this room. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, this is so smart. There's my painting. Oh, this is great. Look at this. Oh, my CDs. Yes. Oh, that's perfect. That's nice. And so my mom is everywhere in here. Yes, because when I was growing up, she loved the elephants, and I would always give her elephants. And then you mentioned the traveling. This was my first trip to Hawaii. I bought those for her. So my first trip away from home, and this makes so much sense. It's so beautiful. I love the process. Just tell Denise what you want and she makes it happen. All these pieces of the delta, the degree, the pharmacy, that just reminds me that I am able to get things done. And then the music and then all the elements from my mom. She was my superhero, so just to bring that energy in here is motivating and reviving. Because everything was at first so boxy, but this softness and I love how you did that. That is so smart. That is so smart. I had to clean this place out. It was difficult to do anything in here, and it really is more of an emotional thing instead of just cleaning out the house.
Wow. This is wonderful. Yes, it's a real office. Yes. Oh, I love it. It looks rich. On the Cosby Show, Cliff's office. It has that vibe.
Well, it looks like I knocked it out of the park, bringing everything together to create a curated space that feels lived in and well loved. Oh, and also rich.
And it's not too much red.
Right.
It's just splashes here and there. This is my favorite part. This is so homey. It looks so pharmacy, Delta. It's everything combined.
Office Depot.
Perfect. You can see everything at a glance. And those baskets are off of that thing. That make me want to go to work.
Exactly. I want to come in here and work.
Hit that like button and remember to hit the notification bell so you get the announcement when the videos drop.
It's a true destination for me to come get some work done. I have my desk. I have my Office Depot here in the little closet. It's amazing how you organized everything. It was like magic. Awesome. Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe so you do not miss a single episode of DIY Duo Redesign. Lastly, leave me a comment. Let me know what kinds of rooms you'd like to see me transform, and I'll make sure to deliver. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I'll see you in the next episode.
Oh, shoot! Look at this! Oh, this is nice! Girl, I didn't even know this blue office room was in here. I didn't even know!
My homework was simply to clean out the closet and clear off the tables. As I was cleaning out the closet, I started wondering, was the shelving big enough? I didn't think the shelves were big enough. So I took it upon myself to go to the store again by myself without your help to find the right size shelves. It was so funny because I was lost. I didn't know what I was doing, but that's what your job is for. And I remember I called you and you were like, girl, go back home, you're fine. I know what I'm doing. This used to be the whole digital studio in here, and the guest room was just the guest room. Now that all the music is in one place and all my day job stuff and community service and pharmacy stuff is in another place, I feel like I can spread my wings a little more. What was really fun, I got to get a little creative with the painting. We went shopping for the shelves, but they didn't have white, and I really wanted to stay consistent with the white shelves that my dad put up. I wanted to just expand on those. They only had black, so I used the spray paint. And then I had that old filing cabinet from when I was an undergrad. I've been holding on to that desk forever. And she's like, real quick, last minute, you want to spray paint some more things? I was like, yeah, it was so fun. It was fun.